Hi friends. So for today's instant recipe, let's learn how to prepare ragi dosa, or it is also called as millet dosa. Very simple recipe with very few ingredients. So let's see what are the ingredients which are required to prepare ragi dosa or millet dosa. It is the quantity required in the proportions. You should make sure that for a people of 2 persons you can take 3 small cups of ragi flour, and then 1 cup of rice flour, and then salt for the taste, water to mix, and little bit of oil is required, and then baking soda. So just these ingredients. So first we'll prepare the ragi dosa. First you mix this 3 cups of ragi flour and 1 cup of rice flour into the bowl. We need to prepare the batter now. Mix this, and to this add salt for taste, and then half tablespoon of oil. It will make the batter soft and dosas will be soft. For this, half or 1 pinch of very little soda or baking soda should be added. Then go on adding water till the dosa consistency is reached. Mix with the water till this consistency is reached. The batter should be little liquidy when compared to regular dosa batter, because if it is thick, the dosa will not be soft and it will be very thick to eat. So this consistency you should remember the batter should be, and then you can add water in between as well to reach this consistency. After the batter is done, and then see that the tawa is hot, and then for the tawa put little oil, and then you can put the batter into the tawa. So like this you can put the dosa and close this with the lid for some time. After this you can add oil if you want, or else you can leave like that and have without oil as well. You need to roast the dosa on both the sides. Wow. See. The dosa will be very crispy to it and very tasty. And now the dosa is ready to be served. You can eat with coconut chutney or pudina chutney, or with any vegetable gravy you can eat. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. Bye bye.